Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we'll show you several fixes for the Microsoft unexpectedly closed issue. For example, if your Microsoft Edge web browser keeps closing without any visible explanation. So let me show you how to do that. So the first option, guys, would be to simply make sure that the browser you're currently using is totally up to date. So to do that, simply click on these three dots in the top right, and after that select Settings. And here inside your browser settings, take a look at that panel to the left and head over to About Microsoft Edge. Now here what you may do, guys, to wait for Microsoft Edge to finish checking which version of the browser you're currently using, and after a moment you will be given a notification like that. For example, if you're using the most recently released version or the newest version of Microsoft Edge. If that's not the case, you will see another notification asking you to, or asking for permission to download the newest version of Microsoft Edge. So do that if you'd like to improve your browser's performance and fix any possible potential issues. What you may do also, guys, is simply delete all cookies and browsing data or browsing history. To do that, head over to these three dots in the top right corner again, and after that select delete browsing data. Alternately, use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Delete. After that, you will be taken to that window here. So simply select the time range of the browsing data you would like to delete, like last hour or all time or last 7 days. Select the part of your browsing data you would like to delete, like browsing history, cached images and files, and so on and so forth, and clear your browsing data entirely by clicking on Clear Now here. And the third thing you may do, guys, is, for example, is delete any extensions you don't need or don't use anymore. So to do that, click on that icon here in the top right corner, Extensions, and head over to Manage Extensions here. And in the following, simply either disable the given extension if you're not using it anymore, or remove it entirely by clicking on that button to get rid of it once and for all and for good. That may also speed up your browser's performance or improve it significantly. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.